Let's go walk. Good morning, guys. Lakad natin si Remy. Lagay tayo ng ilaw. Kasi madilim sa labas. Sobrang dilim. Lumalamig na siya, guys. By weekend, long weekend, Thanksgiving weekend, mag-i-snow. Saturday, Sunday. Remy, come on. Nung Monday, yun yung start ng lamig. Pero ito, tuloy-tuloy na siya. So sabi ko, kailangan magpalit ng kulong. Siguro after Thanksgiving, mga Tuesday, magpapabook na ako. Natatandaan ko last year, nung trick or treat, sobrang lamig. Halos walang dumaang bata sa bahay namin. May mga decorations na sa harap ng bahay nila for Halloween. Pasok na tayo sa work. Cardigan na suot ko kasi malamig na. Papasok na tayo. Teko lang si Mikey kasi alis na rin siya. Halos sabay kaming aalis. Tingnan si Remy. Love you, baby. Going to work na. Positive to naman. Hindi kagaya kahapon. 0. Si Mikey alis na rin kaya iniwan ko yung garaheng bukas. Oras is 6:13. That was a good shift. Uwi na tayo. Natapos na rin yung ating shift. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado kasi busy. Busy ako today. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Uwi na tayo. Pero kailangan pala dumaan sa Walmart. Dumaan ako. Hindi dumaan. Nag-grocery ako nung kailan ba yun? Nung Wednesday. Nag-grocery ako sa Wahing at saka sa Seafood City kasi bumili ako ng mga isda kasi kailangan ko ng mga isda naman, hindi lang puro karne. Tapos ngayon dadaan ako sa Walmart kasi yung menu namin today is kulang. Magluluto ako ng wedding soup. Ang kasama kasi niya is garlic bread. So yun, tingnan nyo guys yung weather, ang ganda-ganda, super linaw. Ang ganda ng panahon. Yan yung mga dahon, oh. Nababago na yung mga kulay niya. Sabi sa forecast, uulan tomorrow. We'll see. Hindi uulan, mag-i-snow pala. Hopefully hindi siya ganun kagrabe. At saka sa Sunday daw. Ewan ko. Hirap guys mag-vlog ng hawak ng camera tapos isa yung gamit natin. Niluto ko lang tong meatballs. And ang menu natin para sa ating dinner is Italian wedding soup. Namimiss na kasi ni Mikey ang Italian wedding soup. Hinihintay ko lang siyang mag-board. Lalagay ko yung maliliit na pasta. Once in a while naman, ako nagluluto. Sensya na guys kasi maano ang araw. Tumatama sa mukha ko. Di ba ang ganda ng araw? Very bright. Bon appetit! Wedding soup with garlic bread.
Thanks, babe.
Okay. Count of 10.
13.
How much?
13.
Shut up. How much? Bakit ako naka-hood? Ha? How much?
I got a 9.5, babe. It was really good.
Oh, thank you for being nice.
0.5 because it's late.
Ha? You want pressed garlic, babe?
Sure.
Kain tayo. Oh, yeah.
But I mean, it's fine. It's an accident. I know.
Wow, that looks good. Steak with tortilla. Or tortilla with steak. Bon appetit. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. So yun ang dinner namin. Yung kasing mag-anak lumabas. Nagpunta sila sa farm, sa Butterfield Farm. Galing kami doon like 2 years ago. Sabi ko sa kanila para ma-experience naman nila yung mga pumpkin patch. Super busy daw. Too many people, babe.
I bet.
I think this is second day. Nag-start sila nung kahapon. Oh, no, start today, I think. Busy daw. And may dala silang ang tawag daw pumpkin. They bought a pumpkin there.
Yeah, it's good.
Lalagyan sana ni sister ng decoration sa labas. Yung electric siya na balloon na pang Halloween. Kaso malakas ang hangin. Kanina nasa highway ako along Stony Trail. Oh my God, nakakatakot. Parang may ipo-ipo. As in, the surroundings are full of dust, babe.
Yeah, dusty.
Yeah. Mamaya magi-snow. Sabi magi-start ng 6 o'clock. So yun, kain tayo guys. Tomorrow, Thanksgiving. Happy Sunday. And happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, today is Sunday. Pumasok ko guys. Kasi Monday ko ngayon. And hindi ako pwedeng hindi papasok kasi hindi ako babayaran tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow is holiday. And hindi rin ako nakapag-book kasi fully booked na ang vacation. Ayoko rin namang umabsent kasi sayang din yun. So yan, uwi na tayo. Nag-work lang ako ng 8 hours. Pero busy kami, buti pinayagan ako. Sabi ko may gagawin ako importante. So okay lang naman. Wala namang problema. So yan, nag-snow na kagabi guys. First snow. And araw pa ng Thanksgiving. Yung kapatid ko is tuwang-tuwa. Tsaka yung mga anak niya. Kasi first time nilang na-experience ang snow. Ewan ko lang pag taglamig. As in yung sobrang lamig. Yun ang hindi sila handa. Although handa naman sila sa kanilang mga winter gear. Kaya lang, syempre, maninibago sila sa weather. Parang ako, may bagong dating, syempre, nanibago. Kasi galing tayo sa tropical country. Hindi tayo sanay sa malamig. So, kinailangan kong umuwi ng maaga kasi si sister, tutulungan ko magluto. Magkakaroon kami ng Thanksgiving dinner. Nawa naman ako kung siya lang magluluto. So, yun. And pauwi na rin ako. Hi, babe. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. I love you.
Hi!
Bless you all.
I love you, bless you all.
Well, I'm saying I love you to you. Bless everybody.
Love you too. And to everyone.
Have a good weekend, everybody.
Okay, babe, you telling me something about Thanksgiving, a story. Can you tell them?
Yeah, as far as I know, it was a village of starving colonists or pilgrims. They were struggling to survive the winter.
Oh, okay.
They were cold and they had no food, so they were, colonists always had problems with the natives. So the natives, instead of fighting with them, they helped them. I think through the winter, they brought them food.
Okay, that's why.
And yeah, they just helped the colonists survive through the winter.
Okay.
And yeah, so one time I guess they had peace together. So eating together, the colonists and the natives, that's what I think formed Thanksgiving.
Oh, okay. Because I never knew what was Thanksgiving is.
That's
So-
you're goofy.
So, yun daw ang history ng Thanksgiving. Kaya nagsa-celebrate ang mga Canadian.
Yeah, don't quote me on that one, okay?
Comment down below kung same ba yung meaning ng Thanksgiving sa inyo. So, ayan. Ito pa. So, ayan si sister. Gumagawa na siya ng baked sushi. Ano nilagay mo dyan?
Salmon.
Cooked salmon, meat crab. Ano ba yun? Nilagyan na ng ito, mayo.
Tsaka yung cream cheese.
Cream cheese. Wow.
No, Remy.
Hello.
No. Oh, I have 3 actually.
Hello.
Now I have 6.
Ay, hindi siya makaano. Okay.
Nothing have a
May,
secret. Nothing.
how's your steak? Steak lamb.
And sometimes a secret.
Good? Wow. Konti lang.
Kala ko nga, mas gusto ko nga yan kaysa sa ano.
Kain tayo, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Okay, dessert time.
Parang may pasok na sila ngayong linggo.
Oh, yeah?
Parang may nabasa. Baka sa mga Martes.